Hi everyone! Let me show you 5 occupational therapy activities using Pompoms. For game number 1, you need paper, pen, scissors, and Pompoms. Cut one of your papers into small squares. On your other paper, randomly draw different shapes. Draw the same shapes on the small squares. Teach kids to use pincer grasp to pick up the pom-pom and match the shape on the card to the shape on the paper. For game number 2, you need marker, paper, clothespin, pom-pom, and paint. Draw a letter, number, a shape, or a picture. Draw little circles inside as a target for paint. For game number 3, you need paper, marker, tongs, quarter, and pom-poms. Ask kids to draw a caterpillar with the help of a quarter. I will use the sticker for the face, and kids can do it using a marker. Use the quarter to draw its body. Kids will use the tongs to place one pom-pom inside each circle. After they're done, they can count and label. For game number 4, you need an ice cube tray, pom-poms, and tweezers. Kids can use the tweezers and match them by color now. For game number 4, you need a spoon, pom-poms, and 3 cups. Kids can scoop the pom-poms using the spoon and match them by color. If you enjoyed watching my videos, please like and subscribe. Bye!